In this video, I'll walk you through the latest update to the OpenAPI integration for tawk.to AI Assist. We've significantly streamlined how you connect external APIs. You can now provide your OpenAPI schema directly as text, bypassing the need for a hosted file URL. To set this up, log into your tawk.to account. Click Administration in the left navigation bar and select Integrations. Choose the OpenAPI Server tool, and then click Add to create a new integration. You will now see two options at the top of the setup window: the traditional schema file URL and the new Paste Schema tab. Select Paste Schema. You can now copy and paste your entire OpenAPI schema directly into the dashboard. Please note that this initial release supports JSON formatting only. This new feature also includes built-in validation. If there is a formatting error in your code, such as an intentionally deleted curly bracket, the system will immediately flag it for you. Once you fix any formatting errors and your JSON is valid, simply enter your API base URL at the bottom and click Save. Your tool will be successfully added to the integrations list. If you ever need to update your schema or base URL in the future, simply click the three-dot menu next to the tool and select Edit. Finally, to give your AI agent access to this new integration, head up to Add-ons in the side menu, then click Settings. Navigate to the AI agent profile. Select the Integration API tab and toggle your new toolkit on. For more assistance, visit the tawk.to Academy or book a call with an AI Assist specialist today.